Hi, I'm Ria, Global Pro Artist for Charlotte Tilbury, and today I'm going to show you how to create a pink eyeshadow look that you can take from day to night. Pink looks pretty on everyone, and that's a beauty secret Charlotte's proven again and again with Pillow Talk. Today I'm going to use Charlotte's limited edition Beautifying Eye palette in Pink Love, and this is a great way to dial up your look. Starting with shade 3, which is a matte silk texture, I'm taking the blender brush and applying this all over the lid. Using a really light pressure creates a soft wash of colour. Once I've applied to the lid, I'm swapping to a smudger brush with the same shade and applying this under the eye. Now I'm using number 8, which is a molten satin texture. Using this all over the lid, as it's a shimmer texture, will help create more dimension. Using your finger is a really quick and easy way to apply this step. If you find using your finger your eyeshadow gets a little bit messy, you can go back in with your blender to soften the edges. I'm applying shade 9, which is a crystal pop texture. I'm using this on my finger down the centre of my lid, as this is going to add even more dimension and the sparkle will really catch the light. Applying a pop shade in the centre of your eye gives a spotlit effect and can really make your eyes glimmer. To finish the look, I'm using Exaggerize mascara, as this will give me the ultimate volume. When I'm applying mascara, I like to place the curve of the brush into the root of my lashes and use wiggling motions, dragging the bristles up. Now to take this look from day to night, I'm taking shade 7, which is a matte silk shade. I'm using a blender brush and I'm taking this on the outer corner of my eye in a V shape, blending this up and out towards my temple. When I get towards the edges of my eyeshadow, I'm using a really light pressure, as this is what's going to help you blend. Now I'm using the same shade on a smudger brush underneath the eye to match it to the top. Using shade 1, which is a molten satin shade, I'm taking this into the inner corner of my eye and underneath my brow, as this will give a brightening and lifting effect. Going back to my blender brush, I'm using shade 6, which is a matte silk texture. I'm taking this into the outer corner of my eye and using a mixture of patting and blending motions to really build up the pigment. This is going to add a lot of definition to the outer corner. And that was how to create a pink eyeshadow look for both day and night.